Hey guys, how you doing? Hope you're having a wonderful day. In this lesson, we're going to talk about grid. So grid is one of many tools that you can use in Adobe Illustrator, and grid can be used more often to be more precise in organizing your objects and pictures and etc. in your document or your artwork. So basically, as the name suggests, the grid is actually turns the background of your artboard over here, this gray area, into a grid, and you can use that to change your objects, your pictures, and etc. in your artboard and in your document more accurately and more precisely. So I will show you how to use grid right now and in other lessons in more depth. So let's talk about grid a little bit more. So first of all, to activate or to show the grid, you can simply go to View tab and click on Show Grid over here, or you can use this shortcut key, Control plus quotation mark. So let's click on Show Grid and see what happens. As you can see, it changes to grid. And again, if you go to View tab and click on Snap to Grid like this, and then when you're moving an object in your artboard, for example over here, when it'll get close to one of these grid, it'll snap, as you can see, to the grid. So it'll help you a lot in your work to be more precise. As you can see, it'll snap to the grid like this one. So this is it too. You can change the grid properties from by going to Edit, Preferences, and then Guides and Grid. So over here you can change the color, you can change the style of lines, and over here, sorry, you can change the color, you can change the lines and subdivisions. You can grid line every. So in grid line every something, you can change the space between every grid, every brick of your grid lines. So this is it too, and I think that is it. So this is what you can do with grid, and I will show you how you can properly use grid in other videos. So we are done with this lesson. See you in the next one, and have fun, guys.